Hi viewers, welcome to Baran Creations Art, Craft and Cooking. So in this tutorial I will show you how to make DIY paper flower. So from a long time I was not able to upload video due to my exams, but I'm back again. So let's get started and I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up and please subscribe Baran Creations. So let's start to make. First take A4 size color sheets. Then mark 8 centimeters length and 8 centimeter width. Draw a line like this. Then fold it. Next fold the paper like this. We will get a square shape. So again cut it like this. Cut the excess. Then cut it from the side. So totally we have 6 sheets here. Then fold it equally like this. Then fold it again. Fold like this. So the line should be at the center. Then repeat the same for rest of the sheets. So this is how it looks. So take nearly 1 centimeter from the bottom and cut it like this. So repeat the same for rest of the sheets. Then open it. Now keep the scissor like this and stretch this up to get the curve. At a time you have to stretch this up. Repeat the same for rest of the sheets. So next what you need to do is keep this two as it is. Then cut this one and fold it like this. So we have 5 petals. Then for the next, cut one. Then apply some glue. Fold it like this. So we have 4 petals here. Then for this, cut 1 petal. Then apply glue. Again we have 4 petals here. Then for this, cut 2 petals. Then apply glue, fold it like this. Here we have 3 petals. Take this, apply glue here, then fold it like this. Hold for some time till it dries. So next, take the single petal, then fold it like this. Hold for some time till it dries. So next, let's assemble this. So apply the glue at the base, then keep the next petal sheet, then press it using the back of the pencil, then again apply glue. Take the 5 petals, then again press it like this. Take the next 4 petals, then press like this, then again apply some glue. Keep the 4 petals and press it like this. Again apply some glue. Keep the next 3 petals and press it using the back of the pencil. Then cut this here. Keep the 2 petals. Next again cut it here. Keep the single petal inside. Just fold it like this. Then keep it at the center. Hold it for some time till it dries. So our flower is ready. You can use this for decorative purpose and many more. This is my pet cat Dolly. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel.